All right, welcome to this video walkthrough of a top floor, 1 bedroom in Alston. Great location. You're just down the street from the Harvard Ave and Commonwealth Ave intersection. So as you can see, we walk directly into the living room area over here. Got a couple of windows, small kitchen, electric stove, a little bit of counter space, fridge, sink, cabinets, up top and below. Coat closet, decent size. Okay. And sort of decent views. I mean, it's overcast today. Terrible day, but as you can see, there's tons of sunlight. All right, more windows here. This is the bedroom. Heat and hot water included. Radiator heating. We have another closet right here. Okay, decent size, shelf, coat hanger. And let's see, got a door right there. Back into the living room. Okay. Front door, another window over here. And then we have the bathroom. Okay. Standing shower tub combo, pretty standard here in Boston. You have your sink, your vanity, toilet, all your basic essentials. There is an elevator to bring you up to this floor. There's laundry on site, coin operated. Again, great location. If you'd like more information, feel free to reach out, angel@lmcrealtyboston.com. Happy hunting.